Could the architecture of our financial future be quietly taking shape on a blockchain you already know? Imagine a world where the backbone of our economy is not just paper bills or traditional banks, but a digital network that operates 24/7, across borders, and at lightning speed. The seeds of this transformation are already being sown, and the implications could be as profound as the internet itself. The digital dollar is no longer a theory, it's an urgent national conversation. Policymakers, economists, and tech innovators are all weighing in, debating how a digital currency could reshape everything from daily purchases to international trade. The stakes are high, and the race to define the future of money is on. Here, at XRP Insights, we've watched as governments and financial giants race to modernize money itself. The pressure is mounting to create a system that is not only faster and more transparent, but also more inclusive, one that could bring millions of unbanked people into the global economy. The real question: what technology will power this new era? Will it be a legacy system, or something entirely new, built from the ground up for the digital age? The answer will shape how we save, spend, and move money for decades to come. XRP and its underlying tech are at the center of this debate, promising money that moves as fast as an email, without banking delays or high fees. Imagine sending funds to anyone, anywhere, in seconds, with full transparency and minimal cost. That's the vision XRP brings to the table, and it's already being tested in real-world scenarios. A central bank digital currency, or CBDC, could upgrade the entire financial system. But the US Federal Reserve remains silent on which technology it might choose. The decision is complex, involving security, privacy, and the need to maintain trust in the dollar as the world's reserve currency. The chosen platform must be scalable, secure, and efficient for seamless cross-border payments. It must handle billions of transactions daily, connect with existing financial infrastructure, and adapt to future innovations. Only a handful of technologies are up to the challenge. The XRP Ledger, with its proven track record in payments, is a frequent topic in digital dollar discussions. Its ability to settle transactions in seconds, with low energy use and high reliability, makes it a strong contender for powering the next generation of money. A digital dollar must connect globally, requiring a bridge asset, something XRP was designed to be. By acting as a universal translator for value, XRP could enable instant, low-cost currency exchange between nations, businesses, and individuals. As this revolution unfolds, understanding Ripple's potential is essential for anyone curious about the future of money. The choices made today will echo for generations, and those who pay attention now may be best positioned to thrive in the digital economy of tomorrow. Before a government digital dollar ever hits your wallet, there's already a revolution underway. Stablecoins. These are the private sector's answer to digital dollars, created and managed by companies rather than central banks. Stablecoins act as a reliable bridge between the world of traditional finance and the fast-moving universe of crypto. They're not just for traders anymore. Today, stablecoins are powering everything from online shopping to international remittances, making digital payments faster and more accessible. Monthly transaction volumes have soared past $700 billion, a clear sign that real people and businesses want digital dollars for everyday use, not just speculation. Companies and individuals are turning to stablecoins to sidestep the slow, expensive rails of traditional banking. PayPal's PYUSD, for example, now operates across 9 different blockchains, making it easier than ever to send money globally, instantly, and at lower cost. This isn't just a passing crypto trend. It's mainstream finance embracing blockchain to build the next era of payments. Banks, fintechs, and even governments are watching closely. The explosive growth of stablecoins is like a real-world pilot program for a future digital dollar. It's giving millions of users and businesses a chance to get comfortable with blockchain-based money, long before any official government version arrives. In fact, stablecoin payment volumes are projected to surpass $19 billion in 2025, proving that this technology is already solving real-world problems, like cross-border payments, instant settlements, and financial inclusion. Some analysts call this shadow institutional liquidity testing. Behind the scenes, major financial players are quietly experimenting, stress-testing the infrastructure that could one day support a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Whether this is a coordinated effort or simply the result of market forces, the world is getting a crash course in how digital dollars work. This hands-on experience is shaping the design and adoption of tomorrow's official currencies, and the financial frontier is expanding faster than ever before. While financial eyes focus on New York and London, Africa is emerging as a hotbed for blockchain innovation. With mobile money already the norm, blockchain-based payments are a natural next step for millions. Trident Digital Tech Holdings is launching stablecoin operations across Africa, focusing on Ripple's RLUSD to boost financial inclusion. Their goal: give individuals and businesses access to stable, dollar-denominated assets and global digital markets. Trident's experience building national digital ID systems shows they understand the complexity of modern digital economies. By integrating identity and payments, they're laying the foundation for a thriving blockchain ecosystem. Major players like Circle and Visa are also expanding in Africa, driving competition and innovation. The strategies that succeed here could become the blueprint for global blockchain adoption. In the crowded stablecoin market, Ripple's RLUSD is making waves. Built on the fast, efficient XRP Ledger, RLUSD is designed for payments and DeFi, with regulatory compliance at its core. Within months, RLUSD surpassed $500 million in circulation, driven by real-world utility, not just speculation. Companies like Trident plan to use RLUSD for large-scale cross-border payments in Africa. RLUSD's speed, settling transactions in 3 to 5 seconds for a fraction of a cent, demonstrates the XRP Ledger's capabilities. For a potential CBDC, these features are essential. Ripple's proactive engagement with regulators sets it apart, making RLUSD a model for future digital dollars. As governments define their digital currency strategies, proven compliance and collaboration will be key. RLUSD isn't just a successful stablecoin, it's a potential template for a public digital dollar. When institutional money moves, the world pays attention. Trident Digital Tech plans to raise $500 million for one of the world's largest corporate XRP treasuries, a strategic bet on XRP's utility. This isn't just speculation, it's a belief in XRP's role beyond payments, powering DeFi and innovation on the XRP Ledger. Holding a large XRP treasury makes Trident a key stakeholder, aligning their interests with the network's growth. Such moves send strong signals to other institutions, encouraging them to take XRP seriously. It's a long-term play, focused on DeFi, asset tokenization, and institutional-grade services. Sophisticated investors are looking past price charts to the ecosystem's foundational value. Trident's initiative is a clear example of smart money positioning for XRP's future in the digital economy. In crypto, speculation often outpaces reality, especially around XRP and the digital dollar. The XRP community is buzzing with theories that stablecoin volumes are secret tests for a future US CBDC, with RLUSD at the center. A recent White House report reignited speculation, but no official partnerships have been confirmed. As of October 2025, the US Federal Reserve hasn't announced any partnership with Ripple or XRP for a digital dollar. Project Hamilton explored CBDC tech but hasn't endorsed any company or technology. RLUSD remains a private stablecoin, not a government-backed currency. These facts keep the conversation grounded, even as speculation highlights strong community belief in XRP's potential. The ongoing debate ensures Ripple and the XRP Ledger stay in the spotlight. Ultimately, the scrutiny pushes all players to prove their technology's real-world value. To understand XRP's role in the digital dollar debate, look at its engine, the XRP Ledger, purpose-built for payments and settlement. It's the Formula One of blockchains, fast, efficient, and reliable. Transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds for a fraction of a penny, proven over a decade of operation. For a CBDC processing millions of daily transactions, this efficiency is essential. The XRP Ledger's built-in decentralized exchange enables seamless trading and instant currency conversion. You can send dollars and have them arrive as euros in seconds, with the ledger finding the best rate. The ecosystem is evolving, with new features like batch transactions and NFT trading on the horizon. XRP's recent technical breakout has analysts watching closely. This blend of proven performance and ongoing innovation makes the XRP Ledger a compelling platform. It's a dynamic system, ready for the future of finance. The future of finance is rapidly evolving into a vast web of interconnected blockchains, rather than being dominated by a single, monolithic network. This new era is defined by collaboration, where different blockchains work together to unlock new possibilities and efficiencies. Interoperability, blockchains communicating and transacting seamlessly with one another, is both the next big challenge and the greatest opportunity for the industry. It's about breaking down barriers, allowing value and information to flow freely, regardless of the underlying technology. PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin now operates on 9 different blockchains, demonstrating the immense power and flexibility of digital assets that can move effortlessly across multiple networks. This is just the beginning. Soon, more assets will follow this path, making cross-chain transactions the norm. By enabling assets to move across platforms, we break down the old silos that have long slowed global finance. The result is a more open, efficient, and inclusive financial system that can serve people and businesses everywhere. Ripple's vision is always centered on connecting value across different networks, with the XRP Ledger acting as a fast, low-cost bridge for transferring assets between blockchains and payment systems worldwide. Imagine sending Bitcoin and having it arrive as a stablecoin on Ethereum, all routed through the XRP Ledger in just seconds. This kind of seamless cross-chain experience is becoming a reality, making digital finance more accessible and practical for everyone. Acting as a universal translator for value, this bridging technology is one of the most powerful long-term use cases for blockchain, enabling true global liquidity and interoperability. The movement toward interoperability is bigger than any single project or company. Social media platforms, stablecoins, and payment giants are all racing to connect their systems, recognizing that the future is about collaboration, not isolation. Ultimately, success in this new landscape will depend on how well assets, like XRP, can integrate and operate within a multi-chain world, providing users with speed, flexibility, and trust. The future of finance belongs to those who build bridges and connect, not just compete. In this interconnected world, collaboration is the key to unlocking the full potential of blockchain technology. As 2025 ends, the digital dollar story is still unfolding, with the most exciting chapters ahead. We've seen stablecoins surge, Africa's blockchain leap, and the XRP Ledger's technology in action. The facts show XRP is well suited for a modern global payment system. The future will likely see private stablecoins and government digital currencies coexist in a complex ecosystem. The real test, delivering real-world utility and adapting to change. Institutional confidence and real-world pilots are building XRP's credibility. Whether XRP becomes the digital dollar's backbone or a vital bridge, its journey is shaping the digital asset space. The ripple effect of today's innovations will be felt for decades to come.